Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, man. I'm with my little man right here.
What's good?
You know what I'm saying? I'm coming to take him to his first car meet, you know what I'm saying? Well, no, it's not the first one, I'm sorry. But we out here hanging out on this Saturday morning, man. We come and check out some cool cars, see what kind of car meet they got going on this morning. So thank you guys for watching and hope you enjoy the show.
And we're at Typhoon, Texas.
And we at Typhoon, Texas in the cold time. So as you can see guys, this is a whole toy drive for kids. And we will shout these people out in the video. This is an awesome deal of what they're doing, man. Awesome.
We're at Typhoon, Texas Waterpark, and there's...
Yes, this is at Typhoon, Texas. This is actually my first time being here. Not going to the park, but this is my first time being here. This is pretty dope, man, I must say. Y'all comment down below and let me know what's the best car that y'all seen so far, okay? That's cool. What, right here? It's cool. I like that color though. Oh, you talking about like it's on the car? That's pretty creative, man. I like that Jeep though. Look at that. That's pretty dope. The Christmas Jeep. As you can see guys, you got people bringing in toys for the kids, which is pretty dope. Uh-oh, what you know about that, Boogie? That's an old Camaro. You don't even know nothing about that one. That was before I was born.
Oh, wow.
Wait, what you trying to say, bro? What you trying to say? Look at steering wheel. Wait a minute, you trying to say what?
That you old.
I'm not old, boy.
Yes, you are.
That's pretty dope, man. I know, right?
Looking like slicks.
Huh?
Looking like slicks.
No, slicks don't have grooves. These got grooves in it. So look at the big difference. There's new school. There's old school. Look, you got the Corvette coming in here making all that noise. Oh, it says father and daughter, so that's a daddy car and that's a daughter car.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's dope. Well, it's the newer body style.
Oh.
See, that's the old body style. And it's the new one. Oh, that's cool. Look. They put a Mustang, but look what they did to the intake.
Yeah.
They put a Bud Light can cover on.
Camaro.
Camaro, baby. Camaro, baby.
They Camaro.
Oh, they raced that one. Look how small them tires are on that.
They race it.
They race it. Look, when they got them skinny tires on the front like that, and then they got them big fat tires. Exactly. You see how big that is? So what you think about that one?
That one is probably fast.
Yeah, you see the little hammer got his little G up today, you feel me? So you got his little G up today, you heard me? I see you.
This one got the same skinny.
Yeah, that one do the same thing. How you doing? All right.
He got slicks on his car.
Yes, sir. So these look like they pretty cool. Got another Camaro, the orange one. I bet you look, this is a Trans Am. Do you know what a Trans Am is? It's just like a Camaro, but it's made by a different company. They don't even make these no more. As you can see, because they almost look like, look, that's a Camaro and that's a Trans Am.
Yeah, but that one, once you turn your headlights on,
it's a different car, but pretty much it look the same.
The V8.
We gonna go around that way. You like that one? So out of all these, which ones you like?
This one.
I think them two might be the fastest. Look at the hood, the scoop that they got on the hood. And then you got more air coming into the car.
Wait, that doesn't mean it's fast.
Yes, sir. That look like it's brand new. Look like he ain't never raped. It ain't dirty at all.
Look at this.
Morning.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. How are you guys doing?
Alrighty. Look like you just got this yesterday.
That's 5 months ago. But you'd never know from the drive-out tag because the tax office is still closed. So.
Oh, okay. But you had the engine pressure wash?
No, it only had about 2,000 miles on it when I got it.
Oh, right.
It's still got plastic under the floor mats.
So this is the Grand Sport.
It is. So it's basically a Z06 without the supercharger. So
okay.
Up through the C7s, it's arguably the best handling Corvette they ever made because it's the suspension and brakes of a Z06 without 90 pounds off the front end. So.
Right, with the charger. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. I actually like it. I like that color. It stands out, man.
I like the color. Yeah.
I bet you get a lot of attention on the freeway, huh?
Not always the best kind.
No, well, not the best kind. Right.
Yeah.
So what you think about this one, man?
I like that.
I think I like, out of all of them I've seen so far, I think that's my favorite.
Yeah.
So far. Yes, sir. Oh, that one. That's the Z06 right there. Look at that. That's a monster there, bro. You heard that thing, though? Camaro Z28, man. What year is this, man?
So 14.
14?
Yeah.
It looked like the one we got on the game, huh?
But I was a wide body. Look at wide body.
Ooh, I like this one too, man. I don't know which one is better, man.
That one.
Which one? This one? And as you see, you definitely don't see that one rolling around town all day. Exactly. That's crazy. And it's a stick shift.
How did they get these cars?
They held them, man. They kept them up. You like this one? Or no?
Yeah.
Why?
The interior is cool.
The interior? Hey, look at the roll-up windows. No power windows. You have to roll it up by hand. You don't know nothing about that. You don't know that, huh? That's the original Challenger. The original. That ain't the new school. That's the old school. But I gotta take a look at this one, man. Ooh, everybody thinking they got these Challengers now. The original.
I think the old school cars are
Nah, they have better technology in them, man. It depends on if they had work done to it or not. Man, this is crazy. And they got the nerve to have Texas edition on it. They say Texas edition like you buy from the store. That's pretty dope, man. That's crazy. What you think about this one? It ain't as flashy as the other one, but I guarantee to get more attention on the road.
Yeah.
And then you got the turbos on the...
No. I've been to one, but he hasn't been with me. That's the muffler, man. So they got the mufflers on the side. Oh, they got the skeleton in the back. Hey, look at these spikes, book. I know, boy. What? What's that? Bruh. Hey, man. Okay, you see that tank back there? Comment down below if you know what that tank is right there. Let's just say he got some extra juice in the stuff. Uh-oh, Whiskey Outlaw 46.
We'll check them out.
Okay. Hey, watch out for that tank right there, man. Either he running E85 or he got some other stuff in there. Y'all see this driving around Texas. Y'all saw it here first. Oh, look how wide the door open, man. Look, JJ, me and you was riding here, we'll be right next to each other. That's crazy. Ooh, hey, look at those spikes, though. Knock all your fingers off.
E85.
That type of gas. Oh, they plastic though. I'm about to say if they was metal, boy, that thing would do some damage, boy.
Can you have it metal?
I'm sure.
I can tell if they're plastic.
What it feel like? It feel like plastic.
No, it feel like metal.
No, metal is more solid than that. Oh, they redone the front. Put LEDs up. Boy, this thing got some bright lights. Oh my God. I want to actually see this one, man. I bet you this one be at the track. I'm gonna look on his Instagram and check him out. I bet you he'd be at,
They got a race in.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure they do. You want to see him what?
I want to see them race.
Why?
I want to see how fast they are.
Which one you think? Okay, which one do you think will beat all these in the race?
The one with the slicks on it.
Oh, that's. I don't know. It'll be a good chance between that one and that one right there. Comment down below if y'all know which car here you think will win in a drag race. Oh, this is an old school monster right here, man. Chevelle. For all you old school lovers, I got you. Man, big shit. All right, woo. Is your car, boss?
My pops.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
You help him do some work on it?
A little bit here and there. We got it. It's pretty much about like this. Pair of brakes on it. Still got the automatic, put in the 5-speed. GKO.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Y'all take it to the track any?
No, haven't taken it to the track yet.
No?
No. He drives it around here, man. He just loves street driving it.
Oh, he got the cross drill brakes. Okay, you know you working with some power now. Oh, he do a little bit more to driving around town, man.
Yeah.
You see them cross drill brakes down there? Y'all see it. Come on, man. One of them sleeper cars. Don't pull up on the side of me H-time. Don't do it. Don't do it. 450. Oh. Man. I'm coming, man. I'm coming, man. I'm trying to check out this classic right here, man. Ooh. What? I know you're gonna like this one. And then they got the Latoya up there. Come on, man.
Yeah.
Got his little mini-me with it. So I'm guessing this is your new favorite car?
Uh-huh.
I like this color combo though. What do you think I had? Do you think a lot of people be looking at me on the orange car?
Yeah.
Which one is this? This is the regular,
The
50th. So the 50th edition. Oh, it's the SS. Okay. So it's just a Charger, boy.
Charger.
Challenger is a 2-door. I'm trying to teach some people. Don't worry about it. Hey, this is pretty cool, man. You ever seen the inside of one before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this one, look at it does.
What? What?
The thing is spinning.
Yeah.
This makes it go fast.
That's what makes everything work. That belt turns everything in the car and makes it work in the car. Okay, you getting your lesson on today. 5.7. This the old school Charger. Yeah, the old school Camaro. That's the old school Camaro. So what you think, Daddy should put Black Beauty over here?
Yes.
Yes.
And then open your.
Comment down below if y'all think I should take my car to companies like this, man. Pretty low key. I don't see any Europe. It look like a bunch of American muscle out here, man. They don't have a lot of cars like mine out here. Uh-oh, another Chevelle.
Daddy, he did some cleanup.
Huh?
He did some cleanup.
Yeah, he was making it look good. Okay.
Well, I actually think that 396 should go under the FS.
Is the window down on the other side? I want to see in the inside. They got a system. He put a system in there.
Yeah, it's down.
Man, the inside of this thing is clean,
Oh,
man.
candy.
Clean.
That black and red.
I know, right?
I think you should put like red, like a stripe red, like see like this. I think you should put that in your car.
What, stripes like that?
Yeah, because your car is red, black and red. So.
Ooh, boy, they be taking some time doing these, man. Oh, so look, check this out.
It's
look.
old.
No, I know, but look. This is a Z06, and that one you like over there is a Z06. This just an older one. But I bet you the newer one will beat this one. Yeah, it's the same kind of car, but it's just a different year. 405 horsepower.
You know, you try to disguise everything you could. We ran it probably everything else. We pulled it off. Well, you know,
What? Huh?
that's not why they're pulling you over.
Buick.
Buick turbocharged.
Seriously though, that thing looks clean.
It's resting.
This one got, he ain't changed the tires on it, so he don't. I don't think he.
Race it.
Oh, Grand National. I'm sorry. The car is a Buick Grand National.
Oh.
Now this is a Mustang. This is the original 5.0. Ooh wee boy. People gonna.
Got slick.
No, they got grooves. When you see the grooves in it. Slicks is smooth. They don't have grooves in it. Remember I told you that.
What is blue?
These little marks right here. Yeah, like this. When there's slicks, you don't see this. It just look like all rubber.
I think this car looks bad because they got the skinny ones that front.
Yeah, but it's not as fast as the other ones. Though.
Yeah, no.
He probably put, see the ones, the slicks are not really made for the regular street.
It's made for a drag.
They're made for the drag, exactly.
But then the drag doesn't have the thing in the back one that makes it go fast.
No, that's like super drag.
People like me, like, hey.
That's cause when you do it, they pop up in the front. Boy, look at them tires on that car. Look how wide the tires.
Dog pick.
I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that.
Hold on your
My
stop.
God. That is crazy. That's crazy. That's, man, this is sweet, dude.
This thing goes against any other truck. This will win.
Facts. This is dope.
So, I mean, I'm a retro, y'all. You know, I
Hey, look at it. Look at it.
We're gonna go take a look at it. I mean, I think I like this one the most because it has the most creative, man.
Yeah. It's so old and...
But it looks so good, though.
Yeah. Holy X.
Man.
Right there, like...
Now, how many of y'all know about this?
Nobody.
Man, them tires are stupid wide, man.
Oh,
So what you think about this one, man?
Bruh.
Hey guys, again, thank you for tuning in and watching this video. Me and my son came out to the actual, this is a toy drive car show. They're doing it for a good cause, man. As you can see, we just got pictures of them guys for all the toys that was donated for this cause. This is actually a beautiful thing, man. I love to see this type of stuff down here in Houston. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this car show. All right, we'll see you again on the next vlog. Peace.
Might be today.